Prima Facie Vawa determination. What is it? Today I'm going to briefly explain to you what a Prima Facie Vawa determination letter is. A Prima Facie Vawa determination is a letter you receive from the USCIS when you apply under VAWA and you file your petition. The petition is supposed to prove that you qualify under VAWA. To prove that you qualify under VAWA, your petition submits forms and documents. These forms and documents must show by a preponderance of the evidence that you qualify. A preponderance of the evidence basically means that it is more likely than not that you qualify. When you submit your petition, USCIS will review your petition. They will make an early evaluation of your petition. During the early evaluation, they will determine if they believe you likely qualify under VAWA. If USCIS believes you likely qualify under VAWA, it will issue a notice of prima facie case. They will inform you of their decision by sending you a prima facie VAWA determination letter. Receiving a prima facie determination letter is a good sign. Receiving a prima facie VAWA determination letter is a good sign, as it means USCIS has issued a notice of prima facie case for your petition. A notice of prima facie case means you have shown more likely than not that you qualify under VAWA. USCIS may also ask for additional information, but it is likely that you qualify nevertheless. A prima facie VAWA determination letter is not the final decision, however. Therefore, you must still take your petition seriously. A prima facie VAWA determination letter has many benefits. If a prima facie VAWA determination letter does not mean that you qualify under VAWA, then why does USCIS send them out anyhow? The answer is the letter gives you certain benefits. The letter acts as proof to show that you may be qualified for certain benefits. This is why a prima facie VAWA determination letter is only given to those who reside inside the United States, as the letter would be pointless to those outside of the United States, as they would not qualify for any benefits anyhow. A prima facie determination letter helps you prove your eligibility for your work permit. A prima facie determination letter helps you to work legally inside the United States. It also helps you with assistance programs for food, shelter, and medical care. Victims of domestic abuse often need help to get themselves back on their feet. A prima facie VAWA determination letter helps you qualify for those government programs. Finally, it also provides defense from removal and deportation. You can use a prima facie VAWA determination letter to help your case against removal or deportation. How long is a prima facie VAWA determination letter valid for? The first prima facie VAWA determination letter is valid for 1 year. After that, your prima facie VAWA determination letter is extended an additional 180 days. It continues to be extended throughout the process until your petition is ultimately finally decided. What happens if you don't receive a prima facie VAWA determination letter? If you don't receive a prima facie VAWA determination letter, there are likely two reasons. The first reason is if you live outside of the United States. If you live outside of the United States, USCIS will not issue a prima facie VAWA determination letter. This is because the whole point is to show whether or not you qualify for benefits. If you live outside of the United States, of course you don't qualify for benefits. The second reason you may not receive a prima facie VAWA determination letter is if you have not shown that you qualify. If you don't receive a prima facie VAWA determination letter, you may receive a request for additional evidence. A request for additional evidence is simply a request for more documentation or to answer certain questions. Usually, you receive a request for additional evidence when your petition is missing important information or if your petition is unclear. Should you give up if you don't receive a prima facie VAWA determination letter? Absolutely not. Not receiving a prima facie VAWA determination letter does not mean you lost your case. A prima facie VAWA determination letter is not the final adjudication. Nevertheless, not receiving one is not a good sign. It may mean you did not meet your burden. You may lose your VAWA petition, which could result in deportation or removal. You should act fast to fix any mistakes. Thank you once again for listening to my brief presentation on VAWA determination letters. Thank you.